Hari Om. In this tutorial, we are going to make a boy a design using drawing tools in the Pixel Lab mobile app, something like this. And also, we are going to learn how to add a long shadow to any image in Pixel Lab. So, let's start now. This is a new project. We will give one color to background. Blue color we are giving. We will delete this new text option. Now we will start drawing the child, the boy. Here we have to click, then click on this draw option. There are some options in the draw tool. This is a pen size which increases or reduces the pen size. This is the color. If we use this color, click on this, we can use the color. We can convert the pen into eraser by clicking on this. Now after clicking this, it becomes eraser. Click again to make it pen again. So there are options like smoothness. If we use this option, if we use this smoothness option, our brush will become smooth. To undo all these things, we have got these two options. This will undo a single step and this will undo complete artwork which we have drawn here. So we have to be very careful about it and click on this only to go one step back. Undo. Now there are options called as fill inside. When we click on this, whatever we draw, there is a automatic fill in the, we have actually drawn a line and there is a fill inside. So this is a fill inside option. This is dashed line option. This is a neon effect option. We will use white color to see this and will reduce the pen size. So now we can see the neon effect very well. Blur radius. When we increase the blur radius, our brush becomes blur. So these are the tools in the Pixel Lab. Now we will undo everything like this by using this option. Now let's start drawing the child. First, let's take the color for the face. Let's zoom in. I am selecting fill inside option. Deselect this, then only we are able to draw. See, neon effect we have to stop. Blur radius 0. Now let's start. Okay, now let's draw hair. Select black color. Don't lift the finger unless and until you are complete. Now let's draw eyes, eyebrows, nose, mouth. We will use red color. Now we will draw ears. Select this color again. Okay, head part is done. Then select OK. Zoom out now. Deselect zoom. Make the face of small size. Now let's draw the shirt for the child. Use the draw tool. Use color yellow. Use fill inside option. Now let's zoom in to draw the shirt. I am not much happy with this. Let's use this option and draw again. Let's draw the abdomen first and then let's draw the sleeves. Okay, this looks nice. Let's select OK. Let's zoom out. We can send it back by using this option, send to front, send to back option, or we can use this also, panels, to move it back and front. Now again select this. Now let's draw his hands. Let's zoom again. Select the skin color. So now I have forgotten to use fill inside option. Select this and now draw again another side. Again we will send it to back. Now let's draw the pant. Let's zoom out first. Select the draw tool. Select this purple color. Zoom in. Here we are going to draw. Select fill inside option. Okay. Send it to back. Let's zoom out and see. Okay. Now let's draw legs. Select draw tool. Select the skin color. Fill inside. And let's draw the legs. Click OK. Position it properly. Send it to back. Let's draw again another leg. Fill inside. Draw here. Okay. Send it to back. So this way we have completed the drawing of a child. Now let's merge all these layers. Select here. Select on this icon. Now select all the layers one by one. Now click on this merge option and merge them. So our drawing is complete. Now we will make one copy of this drawing for a backup, and then we will lock it and hide it. This is in case if we make some mistake or some erase something, this copy will be helpful. Now let's work on this. Click on this. Deselect this. 3D shapes option. Select it. Enable. Use oblique option. Increase the depth. We can see here it is using the same colors, but it is giving some gaps. So this is one error. To avoid this, we will use gradient option. After selecting gradient, use some color, dark color. Okay, if we use any dark color, it will make a uniform shadow like this. Darkness reduced to 0. I will show you how to make a nice shadow in which it appears to be fading away. Now let's change the direction of this shadow. We want a dark blue color here and a light blue color, the color of the background over here. So to get that result, click on this plus sign. First let's observe that it is showing the gradient is dark up and light down. So what we want, a gradient dark here and light in this oblique direction. Click on this. Let's make it little oblique direction first. Now click on this. Click on the color option. Click on this eyedropper tool. Then our different things will appear from the image or artwork. So we can see this. We are going to select this background color, and after selecting we will increase the darkness to some extent. Select OK. Now we want to apply some color over here. Click here, click on the color, click on this option, eyedropper tool, background color, OK. Select OK. Means what we have done is we have taken background color over here and little darker color at this point. Select OK. So now we can see the shadow is uniformly applied. We can darken the shadow like this. In this pattern, we can create our own designs, diagrams, paintings, digital vector arts using Pixel Lab mobile app and using this draw tool, which is very easily available. Kindly subscribe the channel Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Hari Om Shri Ram Ambadnya Nath Samvit.